the closest daycare was in a synagogue, Aleph Bet daycare. And it happened to be an incredibly good daycare. And we were a little of mixed feelings about it because we didn't want to, we wanted a more multicultural world for our kids. But it really was the best, so we sent them there. And there was this rabbi who came from the old country, and he stood about this tall, probably certainly under 5 foot. Wonderful man, and spoke Yiddish, and we spoke Yiddish with him. And at some point he said, "So, Michael, what are you doing for the high holidays?" I said, "You coming here?" I said, "No. Sorry, no." He said, "What do you do?" And I said, "We go to the Abtering. We do a program with the Abtering." He looked at me. He said, "Davenst du? Do you pray?" I said, "No." He sort of shook his head again and said, "It's okay. I know you're Jewish," in Yiddish. It was just one of those moments that I just felt like, what a mensch. What a true mensch. I mean, he didn't have to, he knew that we believed in who we were. And he didn't have to play, if we chose to be the kinds of Jews we were, was enough. So that was one of those moments you go, huh.